Hello children, how are you doing? It's been a while since we have connected, hasn't it? So, next Wikipedia is back with another surprise for you all. But the surprise will be disclosed at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Let's discuss an important type of speech, that is extempore speech or simply impromptu speech. It's okay if you don't know anything about it yet. After all, this is what brings you here, right? Okay, so basically, an extempore speech is a speech in which the candidate is required to make on a topic given at the spot. In other words, you can say a speech without any prior information or preparation is called an extempore speech. Now, the question that struck my mind was that why actually do we need these speeches? Such speeches expand your thinking capabilities, and these will help you in gaining confidence and communication development. Now the question comes, how to excel yourself in these speeches. Okay, so here it is. Each letter of extempore is having its own characteristics. Now let's look at them. The E of extempore stands for expressing what you feel. That means that you have to be truly yourself and express yourselves, express your feelings. Then is the X factor. X stands for the X factor, that means gestures. Then you have T. T stands for time bound. That means if it is for 1 minute, you need to be sure that you're doing it for a minute only and your speech is not too long so that the judges stop you in between. That will definitely leave a bad impression at them. Next is E. E stands for expressions while speaking. You have to be very expressive. But this E stands for the expressions on your face, not on in your content. Next you have M. M stands for mind mapping. Definitely you will not be given a pen and paper in the speech to write down all the points. So you need to mind map all the points. Next is P. P stands for posture and poses. Posture, your pose, all of these are matterable in this. So the judges may mark you on these small criterias. Next we have O. O stands for opinion. Wherever possible, insert your own opinion. That will help you gain good marks. Second last one is R. R in extempore stands for real. Real means real experiences. Real experiences can help you support your point. So these are really important. You should always try including real experiences in every speech. Last but not the least is E. E stands for eye contact. Don't forget to make a good eye contact with the audience. Definitely, it's very useful. Okay, now let me tell you about the surprise. Next Wikipedia is providing you an excellent opportunity to be a part of this extempore workshop just for free. It will be an online workshop via the Zoom app. To register, please follow the link in the description box. You can select your preferable time and day. Yes, you heard it right. It's up to you when you want to join this workshop. So before the seats are full, register now and build your skills for free. Also, every participant will be provided a participation certificate, and the examiner or the expert taking the class will definitely come up with her personalized comments for you all. So that's all for today's video. Stay safe and a goodbye.